Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about concatenating strings with plus operator. So you already know what is the plus operator. It is something which will add two numbers or anything. So in JavaScript, when plus operator is used with string value, it is called the concatenation operator. You can build a new string out of the other strings by concatenating them together. So what it is basically doing is that we will be adding the two strings together and showing them as a whole. So in that case, the plus sign will be called the concatenation operator. It's a very long word. I don't know why they call it that. So they're asking us to watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between the concatenated strings. So you will need to add them yourself. Okay, as you can see here we have a space after comma sign, and we also have a space before I. This because the concatenation will not be adding any spaces, so we'll need to add it, or else it will be like Alan comma I will be the after that it will be there won't be any space, so we'll be needing to add them like this. We have another example also here. Here we have I come first, then a space, then like this. So as you can see here we have got a space because we have put a space after the dot and it will be concatenated. Now our objective here is to build a mystr from the strings. This is the start dot and this is the end dot. Using the concatenation operator, be sure to include a space between the two strings. Okay, let us do that. This is the start dot. Now the concatenation, then we'll put a space. This is the end. Okay, I hope it is correct. Now that we need to put a dot also. So we have successfully completed the challenge. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.